Good morning! We are going out to the lake today. Actually, it's just Ethan and I. It's one of his last days here. He got off a little early, so we're here at Ski-Wee Rentals. If you ever want to come go to the lake, they have jet skis that we can rent, or that you can rent. They also have boats, but I'm too scared to drive a boat, so we're sticking with the jet skis, what we know. They actually are the ones who maintenance our jet ski, so we're gonna pick it up and head on out. Have any of you ever ridden anything looking like that? Those are pretty cool. Yeah.
Hey guys, we made it to the lake.
Here we go. It's definitely hot today. It's I think 113 right now, so supposed to be 115. Whew. This is a beautiful Lake Mead. Alright guys, we are about to go to the Hoover Dam. You guys, it might be a bumpy ride. I'll try to keep you nice and dry. If the water gets on the lens, I apologize in advance. But here we go. Alright, so remember, gotta stay under 4 when you're in the wake zone. Hope this is a good view for you guys. There goes Ethan. He had a head start, of course. I'm always making sure we got everything. You always know it's into summer when it's about time for Ethan to go home. He gotta start school next week. Colin's starting school. So, alright, we're almost to the buoys, you guys. He's waiting on us. Like, come on, Erica. Alrighty. Here I come. Let's go catch him. Oh shoot, here comes a boat. Always gotta watch out for other people because I feel like sometimes they're not paying attention to everyone around them. But I'm always paying attention. We're gonna stand up. This is our stand-up view. Here we go. Oh, it feels amazing. The weather is perfect today. Love it. Woo! Catch Ethan. We're on our way to get him. He's doing donuts. Oh yeah. Life is good. There he is. Circles. Ah, he got us when I was trying to get him. He's way faster. It's such a nice day. Oh, here he comes. Let's see if he'll stop. My hair is almost dry already. It's crazy. Oh, look at him. You wanna go to the Hoover Dam? All right. Look how pretty the mountains are. Alright guys, like I said, my hair is already dry and I got in before we came over here to the Hoover Dam. It is super nice outside, but extremely hot. Obviously, if you come out to the lake, make sure you bring water and sunblock, because you don't want to burn. But looks like Ethan's having all the fun over there, so let's go. Look at him over there, doing his circles without me. Make sure you always take your sunglasses off. I'm about to get
pulling up to a place called Alligator Cove. It's where everybody meets up. The reason why it's called Alligator Cove is because to the left, over here, it kind of looks like an alligator, I guess. I mean, from far away, you can see it, but from right here, you cannot.
To ourselves, you guys. It's freaking amazing. Sometimes you just gotta be thankful for the fun days you get. Try to stay positive, have as much fun as you can. I figured you'd enjoy a lake day, so here it is. It's Tuesday afternoon, almost 5 p.m. It's gorgeous. See the Hoover Dam, you gotta see Alligator Cove, that's where Colin likes to go hang out. You just gotta make memories, because these are the moments your kids will remember. Like Ethan will remember this. It's gorgeous out here. There's hardly anyone on the lake during the week. When people ask why I moved here from Ohio, this is it right here. You got the blue skies, the amazing mountains. Look at that. And no humidity. I mean, there's probably a little bit humidity because we're on the lake, but I'm grateful that we were able to take the risk, pack everything up, and move out here. So much fun. So, what are some of the risks you've taken in your life? Put it in the comments. Was it a good risk, scary risk? This is the Narrows? Yeah. Oh, I thought we were like going to a place. Yeah, this is pretty. right, everyone. Hope you liked the lake video. Until next time, peace out, Vegas. We love you. Bye.
Bye-bye.